The NB Network with Dee Sparta.
Oh my gosh, I got powder on my dress. That's the problem with wearing dark colors. It's like the powders go everywhere. Anyway, today, welcome to the NB Network. I'm Dee Sparta. And, well, first off, you see this? My hair, I'm trying to grow out because it's winter time and shaving it all off again. It's cold up here. We've had snow. It's already been snowing. There's snow on the ground. It's icy cold. And I'm just, need a little bit of insulation up here. Don't you think? Yeah. So here we go. Today's box is the BoxyCharm base box. Now, this is the last box that I have already prepaid in my subscription. I don't think I'm going to get December's. I'm taking a break in December on these things because I have so much going on in December. I don't know about you, but it's like holidays and birthdays. It's fun craziness, right? Okay, so this is what the box looks like. It's harvest theme, very gorgeous. And right now I already see stuff that I'm like, so that's good. Here is the card. Isn't that pretty? I love the harvest theme. Fall is my favorite time of year. And in Idaho, we only have fall for about 2 weeks. And then winter's here. So, literally, we didn't even get a chance to rake up our leaves and such because snow has covered everything already. And it's melting because we've had some rain. That's good. But we're supposed to have more snow. So, yeah. Living in the Pacific Northwest is always an adventure with weather. You just never know. All right, the first thing I'm going to pull out is the Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask plus 8 Super Orange Essence. I was definitely wanting to get this. It has the 8 Super Orange Essence is pumpkin, turmeric, paprika, grapefruit, ginger, carrot, honey, and orange. Now, this is $45. I look forward to using this mask. I really do. Here's what the bottle looks like. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. I'm going to pull off the top because I'm going to be using this tonight. Okay? So I'm going to pop this baby open. If I can't, I did it. Here it is. It smells like a dream. I love the smell of pumpkin spice. I really do. The scent is like, I love to have those candles burning all throughout my house because it's just so gorgeous. Okay, and in here is a Jack of Black, Liquid Corrector 2.0, vegan-friendly, cruelty-free. I think this is one I had to select a color for. And, whoa! Shit, that just like flew out at me, and that is a really dark color. Really dark. What is it? Color correcting. Holy moly. Look at this. Ah! That is not cool. What is... Meet the perfect under eye brightener, which disguises darkness, even out skin tone. The lightweight formula creates a natural glowing finish. This is $15. This is a new launch. Okay, so this is like a color corrector for your dark circles under your eyes. I get that. I'm not used to a liquid color corrector, and boy, is this liquidy. Just so you know. It's a lot of liquid. Oh my gosh. Doesn't smell too bad either. It smells like makeup. Clean, sterilized makeup kind of scent. You know, right? The selections for this month were really weak. So I ended up with Gimme Brows. This. Yeah. So yeah, this brow, it's from Benefit Cosmetics. It's a volumizing eyebrow gel. This tinted eyebrow gel contains tiny microfibers that adhere to skin and hairs, creating natural looking fullness and definition. The custom tiny taper brush provides easy mess-proof application. Poof, fuller looking brows magically appear. And it's $24. I really don't need fuller brows. So this might go in. I have on eBay already. I've been starting to put up some of the makeup palettes and different things, and I might do like a mystery bag or something of stuff, of makeup stuff, and this probably will go in there because I don't need fuller brows. Now this was really interesting to me. It's Volition's Snow Mushroom Water Serum. Now I don't need serums, I have plenty, but they are fun to try out, and this one really had me curious because the snow mushrooms just kind of caught my attention. It's an ultra hydrating serum powered by the superfood snow mushrooms to minimize the look of pores and leave skin visibly plumper and healthier looking. It's $82 for this one, and you know how I feel about expensive serums. I'm like, really? But it's a cute bottle. Very sturdy. It's very luxurious feeling. Doesn't feel like some of the others, and my arthritis I can't open. I got it on my nose. It smells interesting, and this is one of those you press down, suck up, and then drip, press it back down into there. I do like the bottle for this and the dropper a lot. That is a bonus. So if this makes it cost more, okay, I'll live with it. But I do look forward to trying this out. Okay. Oh yeah, this was still in the box. I fell back in there. No. Okay, so is there anything really? This is what they used for packing, which is better than the shredded stuff because I can. All right, so there is a Natasha Denona is treating cut charmers to 25% off. Woo woo! So that's cool. Natasha Denona stuff is so expensive, you know. I did get a palette of theirs. I was hoping I'd get it, and here it is. I have wanted to try Natasha Denona's products, but spending over $100 on an eye palette just doesn't sit well with me. It doesn't, especially if I don't know if I'm gonna like it. So this Natasha Denona palette is $48. It's a 5-pine palette featuring Natasha's essential everyday warm-toned eye pigments that she mixes and matches for her favorite palettes, all reorganized and wrapped into one. Composed of both creamy matte and metallic formulas. From the cult classic Biba, Safari, and Sunrise eyeshadow palettes, you'll find yourself reaching. So this is a custom mixed of other palettes. They've pulled these and put them together, and it looks nice. So let's swatch. Oh, it does feel creamy. Oh my gosh. So let's see here. I'm a pasty ass bitch, but that did go on nicely. I'm going to try this other. So that first color was Aya. It's the 180 cm Aya. Now I'm going to the 241 cm Jasper. Let's try Jasper here. They feel really nice. Sometimes when you touch an eyeshadow, you just get an idea if it's really nice feeling or not. And oh, look at that. Okay, so the pigment on this is like, look, I still got some of that color corrector over here. Great. Oh, well, I just made a mess. So we'll ignore my mess, right? We could just, it's not really here. We pretend. Yeah, right? Okay, we're good. All right, so let's see what else I've got here. The next color is Thorn. It's a brown. The other one was more terracotta. Let's see here, this brown. Oh, they did a nice brown. Okay, so that brown came out. Mwah, right? Just, ooh, look at that. Nice. That's some nice stuff, right? Okay, let's go into the next color we got on here, and it is Amhara. Look at that. Oh. Nice. Oh. Okay, so now I'm seeing why Natasha Denona's eye palettes are expensive. It says I am going to be using this palette on my next look. These are exactly the colors I like to wear. I don't know if you could tell. See, I'm wearing Similar colors. This is, yeah, I'm wearing Tati Beauty's palette neutrals. Yes, I am, because I love that palette so much. And this last color is called Shine. This is a metallic shimmer. Let's see how metallic-y shimmery this is. And that is gorgeous. You can see the reflections. Look at that. Oh, okay, folks. So what I'm going to say here right now is, yay, I like my box. I like my box. It's really cute. It's got basically stuff that I want to use, I want to try, and that's a win. And this box is only $25 of monthly subscription. This is just the base box. You get 5, look at my head, 5 full-size items, and it's worth it, folks. I got my deal this month. I'm feeling better. I did not get the premium boxes because I have not been impressed, and I really was not impressed with this month's. The base boxes got what I wanted, so we're going to see some changes coming up, I'm sure, as Ipsy and Boxy are merging and going to be learning off of each other and working together. So this should be interesting. So maybe in January next year, I will come back to the stuff. It really just depends of where I'm at in my other channel, which is Lunar Blessings. Also, please subscribe to it. It's got a vlog style, but there's also meditations and tarot readings, and also just, it's just got funky stuff. It's cool. It's cool. So I'll see you over there on Lunar Blessings, I hope. Links are down below. I have a Patreon, and I have a website where you can book me. So I think we're all done today. I love you guys. Be kind to yourself. Be kind to others. I'll see you next time here. Bye.